So I'm on a girls trip and I never did my hair before coming. I only washed and blow dry because I didn't have time. And I'm going to be doing a ponytail on blow dried hair for the very first time using a gel I've never used before. I hope I don't regret this. My name is Sandra and I do natural hair and fashion content. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, I appreciate your support all the time. So, yes, I went on a girls' trip to LA this past weekend. I ran out of time at home, so I had gotten this edge gel the morning of my trip, and I intended doing a ponytail before traveling, but I just couldn't. So I just washed and blow dried my hair and traveled with my hair like this. So yeah, I'm doing the. I've never used this gel before. I only got into the store and decided to try something new. Actually, I had a gel in the house, but I wanted to try something new, and I've never done a ponytail or low bun on blow dried hair before. So this is me on a girl trip with no backup, absolutely hoping to get good results from a technique and a product I've never used before. But I wear my hair out for the most part, and I've always worn my hair out for almost 10 years, and there's never going to be a situation that's so bad that I cannot salvage as long as I have some product or a store around me. So yeah, I had confidence that no matter how this turned out, I was going to find a way. So 3 tips. First thing is separate your hair into tiny parts. Tiny sections work in tiny sections if you have 4C hair. Secondly, apply the product on the part of your hair that's going to be slicked. From the back, you don't have to apply all the way to the tips like I'm doing at the front. At the front, it has to go from, the front of your hair all the way to the back. So there's more portion that's going to have to be slicked down. So that part that has to be slicked down, apply product. And some people use a brush. I prefer to use a fine tooth comb to work the product into my hair. And then that's tip number 2. And then tip number 3, which is actually something I tried the very first time on this trip, use the back of the comb to smoothen to smoothen your hair. That actually cements the product into your hair. And this gel says it's a no flaking gel and it's also non-itchy, but I could feel it wasn't an itch, but I could feel like I was applying something on my hair, like almost a tingling sensation. I don't know if it's because I was pulling my hair and it was blow dried, but yeah, I these are the tips I learned, and just try to work that in. Use a rubber band with each section that you tie. Use a rubber band to each section you slick down. Use a rubber band to tie your hair twice. If you tie it 3 times, you can tie it 3 times to make it firm, but I realize every time I tie it 3 times it's so tight, so I usually do just 2 times. Usually I use a satin scarf to tie my hair down when I'm done, but today I decided to use this thing. I don't know how it's called. I see a lot of people using it, and yes, it was also the first time I was trying it out, so I didn't even know what I was doing. I didn't watch any videos to refresh my memory on how this is used or to get techniques. I was just wrapping it all along. And then I used my scarf to tie my hair. When I was done with that, I went in with the blow dryer. Actually, I could have just gone to bed because this product worked like magic. I used the blow dryer to dry my hair for about 30 minutes and I went to bed, and this is the next day. So I just used a bit of product to slick the front of my hair. I haven't done that yet in this video. This is me literally just from sleep or after taking a shower, and this is what the hair felt like. I love the results. I didn't have any flaking. There was no white cast. So this was me out that day. As you can see, my hair is still holding up in this LA heat. And this right here was day 2. So in the morning, I just take a little bit of the edge gel and slick around my edges because that lifts up at night when I'm sleeping. Thank you. If you watched to this point, please like and subscribe so YouTube can recommend this video to other people. And I appreciate you guys always. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Bye.